welcome back, scholars. Hey, let's get to the answers here. Let's see how quickly we can get to. Hey, the first thing I want to check out from you is what is the rule written out in an equation? Y equals what? Rule for line L. Pausing the video here. Excellent. Yes. The rule is y equals 3x. So let's fill in some coordinates. It's going to be fairly easy to look at. If I take 0 times 3, that gives me 0. The coordinate points are going to be 0, 0. The next one is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. And the coordinates are 1 and 3. 2 and 6 will be the next ones. And 4 and 12. Hopefully you got that. So let's go ahead and look at line M. It says the rule is triple x and then add 3. I'm going to pause here and I want you to tell me what it is in an equation form. Y equals what? Excellent. Yes. Y equals 3x plus 3. So let's fill it out. You should already have these. If I have 0 times 3 plus 3, I get 3. So my coordinate points are going to be 0, 3. 1 times 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 3 is going to be 12. All right, so let's get to line M now. Oops, you guys already got the answer, so I'm not going to be asking you what the rule is in an equation. However, I will be asking for a couple of coordinates. So if we start with 1, I'm going to get 3 minus 2 equals 1. So the first coordinates are going to be 1 and 1. If I look at the next one, we have 3 times 2, 6 minus 2 gives me 4. The third one is going to be 9 minus 2 equals 7. And then the last one, I'm going to pause the video so that you can give me the answer. Excellent. Yes. The answer is going to be 12 minus 2 equals 10. So the coordinate points are 4 and 10. Now that we have the coordinate points, I'm going to go to another slide because I couldn't do everything in one slide. In this slide, I have all the coordinate points, and we're going to start drawing the line. So who will be going to the front of the class to draw the lines on here? I'm usually pause and let the scholars do this in the front office, in the front whiteboard, but you can listen to me. Here we go. Let me go ahead and get started. Well, the first one I'm going to look at crosses the origin, which is 0, 0. The next point I'm looking at is 1, 3. The next point is 2, 6, and 4, 12. When I draw the line, I get a pretty steep line crossing or intersecting the origin. My next line, who can tell me or predict, is that line going to be intersecting the first line, or is it going to be parallel? Excellent. It is parallel. Let's check it out. We get 0, 3 as our first mark. The next coordinate is 1, 6. The next coordinate is 2, 9. And the last coordinate is 3, 12 that we are graphing on here. When we do that, we can see that it is parallel. And it's even steeper than the first one. So it's further away from X because it was addition here. Who can predict where triple X then subtract 2, or Y equals 3X minus 2? Is that going to be further up, or is that going to be below the first line? Excellent. Yes, it will be below. Great, scholars. So let me go ahead and start plotting this. The first thing I'm going to plot is 1, 1. The next one is going to be 2, 4. The next coordinate is 3, 7. And the next one is 4, 10. When I do that, you can see that it's parallel to all the other ones, just further down. All right. Thank you for answering the questions. Let's go to our next draw it. You're going to have 5 minutes to get this one done. Once you're done with that, oops, I'll give you the answers. I'll see you in the next slide.